Ever stare at a blank chat, wondering, are they just super busy or am I officially blocked?
Well, thanks to their incredibly strict privacy policies, WhatsApp is never going to actually notify you. So, in this explainer, we're applying digital detective. We've got 7 specific clues to crack the case.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Clue number 1 is all about their passive activity status.
If their last seen or online status completely vanishes out of nowhere, yeah, that's highly suspicious.
Moving on to clue number 2, we're looking straight at their profile picture. A suddenly blank or totally frozen photo is a huge red flag, though they might have just deleted it. All right, clue number 3. Let's step it up from passive observation to active testing. And this brilliantly illustrates it. Normal messages get 2 ticks. If you're blocked, you're stuck at 1.
That single gray check means your text never landed. Unless their phone is dead, it's a terrible sign.
Clue number 4. Let's take it to the next level and actually try calling them. It's gonna ring endlessly on your end, but literally never connect to their actual phone. Now for clue number 5. So the crucial point is,
Here's the test. Make a brand new WhatsApp group and try adding that specific contact.
if you hit this exact error message, there's basically no way around it. You are restricted. But wait, quick caveat here. Super strict group privacy settings can actually trigger this exact same error. Okay, clue number 6. Let's quickly check out their daily status updates. Because getting blocked instantly and permanently cuts off your access to literally all their future updates. Finally, clue number 7. This is where all your hard detective work comes together. No status, blank pic, 1 tick, failed calls, and a group error. Basically, a highly guilty verdict. But remember, WhatsApp loves privacy. So honestly, no single clue here gives you 100% absolute proof. One sign? Sure, maybe a coincidence. All 7 combined? Yeah, you're definitely officially blocked.
अगर ये जानकारी पसंद आए तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं।